All right, check it out. This video is gonna be so dope. It's gonna be all about how to cook Dungeness crabs. It's gonna be a quick video, super simple, super easy, and this is the way, okay? I don't care how anybody else ever told you to eat crab, this is the way. This is the way from the DMV, okay? DMV stands for DC, Maryland, Virginia. So the way you steam crabs, not boil, okay? That's the way we're talking about doing it, is you steam them. Check it out. Just an inch of water. You don't need much. Just an inch of water to steam them. You don't want the crabs to be submerged, okay? Okay, bro, chill. First things first is a nice amount of seasoning. Pour it all down a little bit like this. Oh my God, I can already smell. So there's a aroma that apple cider vinegar already has, and something about the way it mixes with the JL #2 crab spice. It's salty, it's Cajun-y, it's spicy, but it's not too salty. It's not too nice. It's oh my gosh, and it's so good on crab. I don't know. There's no better pair for seafood. I'm telling you right now. Look at him tasting it. His mouth is just like. Look at that. Look. Collin's recipe is really good, huh? Wow. This is about to be a really, really good meal. All we gotta do is steam it up, right? For 20 minutes in the pot. Nice and sealed. Probably like 23 minutes because the water's not hot right now. So about 23 minutes. And that's all we need to do. And they'll be good to go. All right, so it's been 25 minutes. Let's see what these crabs are talking about. Look at that. Now you see the seasoning, how it's just ever so moist and caked onto the shell. What I do is I take the crab, I take the top off, and I get to the meat, and I use this shell as a platter, as a charcuterie platter, if you will, to eat the seasoning. It's so good. I dip it in the uncle sauce. I do here. I go, so good. As the crab is steaming, the inside of it, the guts, they start boiling together. It looks like a fried egg, honestly, or a boiled egg. And it's pretty good actually, because you figure it's all the seasoning, it's soaked up, the seasoning, the broth that you have in the pot. So that's what's up, right? So I'm down. Yeah, it's like the whole flavor of the crab. It's really good with the seasoning, that JL spice. If you don't know about JL spice, that's top-notch flavor right there. I'm telling you, with apple cider vinegar, the crab essence, all in one pot, that's the flavor right there. Boom, look at this white, clean, delicious, delicious. Oh my gosh. Just break it off. What you're gonna see is everything in here is meat. The only other thing that's in here is shell. If it's hard, you don't eat it. So that's all there is. That's all I will, right? If it's white and soft, it's meat. If it's not, yeah, it's soft, and you feel like it's gonna cut your mouth when you bite into it, that's how you know you don't eat it. Boy, this crab. Now, tell me.
Crab, good.
Tell me right now. I have a question for you. Are you tasting the meat without the sauce?
I've been eating just the meat.
And do you taste any seasoning in the meat?
Yeah.
Okay. Isn't that weird though? How the seasoning's on the outside of the shells, but yet the way that
I've like dipped it in butter a few times. Like,
yeah, I barely even had dipped in the sauce at all. I don't even need it.
Yeah.
This is how it's done. All right. Fresh seafood right here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, Collin White. Hit that subscribe button. All right. Follow me on Instagram at Collin_White, or follow the brand Ocean2Plate LLC.